This is the spot. Oh yeah. Get a little mini pool out there, isn't that cute? Yeah, pretty. Look at all the cow.
I don't get it.
Other than like the Jake Paul fight of 2021. Alright, we're done.
Let's go, Wooderson. Yeah! Get him, Woody! Get him, Woody! Get him, Woody! Let's go! Triangle! That's it, Woody won! That's good enough, I guess.
Jesus Christ, dude. Like, it's so cringe.
We got a new crane up there.
What's up, man? Hold it. Come in. Rob, nice to meet you. Kennedy, right?
With their animals. With the fucking.
But it would be like they'd be like couple photos.
It was survival, bro.
Yeah, dude, everything goes out the window when it's like super fucking stressful. And you're like, oh my god, dude, I'm about to legit fight this guy. This is crazy.
Dude, and when I got there, dude, he's a big boy, bro. I didn't realize he was that fucking big, dude.
Alright, just on this little drive over to Woody's house. What's up, Woody? Say
What's
hi.
up, guys?
You know, he just won his fight, killing the game.
So yeah, the back property line goes in between those two power lines. You can kind of see a little like row of like small bush that looks like it's growing across.
Some kind of drill. That's the stem, and that gives it. There's definitely flare. There was like fumes coming off of it. I could see it, bro.
We're here at the Sonic.
She's live. I mean, I'm about to do the.
Old farm dog, living his best life out here. All right, that's it, buddy. Closing words?
Dude, I had a great time. It was awesome meeting you, man. I hope we get to do it again. You're welcome at my place anytime we have a race. You in here, like, just you need a place to stay, dude. Just holler at me, dude. I love it.
Same for you, buddy. See you on the next one.
See ya.
Buy Bitcoin.